Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe. Unplug the iron and verify the outlet is dead with a tester or another device. Once done, allow the iron to cool completely and put on insulated gloves if the cord is warm. Now inspect the plug, strain relief, and the first few inches of cord for melting, discoloration, or exposed wires. If you see any charring or a split conductor, stop and prepare replacement parts. You will be cutting and re-terminating the plug next. You now remove the damaged section by cutting back to clean, undamaged cable. Aim for 6-8 cm of working cord. Next, strip the outer insulation 2-3 cm, gently separate the conductors and score any fabric sheath so you don't nick copper. Note the color coding and twist conductor strands neatly. Fit the replacement plug or open the original, feed the cord through the shell, and tighten terminals firmly. Make sure the strain relief clamps the jacket firmly. Loose strands cause heat and failure later. You finish by visually rechecking every connection. No stray strands, terminals tight, and the plug shell seated flush. Reassemble the housing and tighten screws evenly so the strain relief compresses the jacket. Once assembled, test at a protected outlet or via an RCD, plug in, set low heat, and watch for normal warm-up with no smoke, burning smell, or heat at the plug. If you get tripping, heat, or intermittent power, stop immediately. Replace the cord or consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.